We are PROram, constructive mentality, shaping the industrial future. Visit our website for further information and request quotation. Hello, thank you for being with us and watching this video. It is part of our series about PolyWorks software. You will learn many practical tips on how to use the software to achieve your goals or simply improve your work. We encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel to do not miss further useful information. We also invite you to leave your comment about this material. We are open to any suggestions. The content and services we create for you. In this short video, we are going to describe PolyWorks Workspace Manager. In PolyWorks software, the superior module, which is also a tool for managing data, is the Workspace Manager. Workspaces should be treated as areas that let us to store measurement programs. In most cases, one workspace contains measurement programs within a given project or assembly. However, it is permissible to create separate workspaces for each part. A characteristic of a workspace is that from the Windows Explorer level, only a shortcut to a given workspace and a folder with component files are visible, but the data is stored in an encrypted manner, and from its level we do not see the names of the measurement projects contained therein. In PolyWorks, measurement programs are referred to PolyWorks Inspector projects. Each measurement program should be created for an individual part separately. Within the program, a part of one type is measured, in accordance with a given production drawing. The lower-level unit is piece. Within one measurement program, PolyWorks Inspector project, we can measure pieces of the same type, additionally creating measurement sequences. Additionally, by using piece templates, within the piece, we can perform and document measurements in various ranges. A template for measuring all characteristics and a template for measuring only the critical characteristics included in the drawing. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to visit our website and read more about us.